When you find a record that you need to have transcribed and translated, you can go to the Czech Genealogy Facebook page, or you could post a query in Ancestry. So for instance, in Ancestry, if you go to the message boards, localities, Central Europe, historical regions, you get Bohemia and Moravia. Those would be the two that I use, mostly Moravia. And we can see that many people are asking for information how to translate something. There are a half a dozen people from the Czech Republic who reply all the time and help out with this. So, for example, let's go back to the one from our previous video about Josef Bata. On the Facebook page, this one was translated from Czech straight into English. Some people like to learn themselves and do their own translation. And so we have an example from Ancestry. Someone asked for a translation, but they got a transcription. So here's the way the German transcribed. Oh, except this looks like a combination of Czech. Okay. I thought it was a transcription of the German, but this is a transcription of the Czech in that one. And so once you have decent Czech written down, you can run it through your own translator and figure it out, or look it up word by word. So I would like to point out those two things. Let's go back to Ancestry. If you go to Central Europe and pick Czech Republic, we have several boards there too, and it is worth your while to learn which area your ancestors came from and use that one. Jihomoravsky, Jihochesky, I think that stands for Southern, and that SCVER stands for Northern, I'm not sure. But here are the different regions, and if you post your message in those, you will also get a reply. Here's the example of the one that I had brought up before. If I go to Czech Republic, Moravian, I have quite a few queries there where I just get stuck on one word. And then one of the researchers will transcribe it for me. Sometimes they will translate it if you ask for a specific translation. So, phase 2 of how you go about doing your own research.